Welcome back. Today we're looking at the best Poolin embroidery machines in 2026 that you can actually buy right now. If you want high-quality stitching, smart touchscreen control, and beginner-friendly operation, these machines are some of the best options for home and small business embroidery. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Poolin EOM 15 Needle. The Poolin EOM 15 Needle commercial embroidery machine is a powerful and user-friendly solution designed for small businesses and growing embroidery shops. Featuring a large 14.2-inch by 9.5-inch embroidery area, it provides ample space for creating detailed designs on a wide range of items, including hats, caps, 3D puff caps, apparel, and promotional products. Its 15-needle system enables automatic color changes, reducing manual intervention and increasing productivity, while the automatic thread trimming function helps deliver clean, professional results. With convenient Wi-Fi and USB design transfer options, users can quickly upload and manage embroidery files. Built for handling daily orders efficiently, this commercial-grade machine combines speed, precision, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to expand their embroidery capabilities. Number 2. Poolin EOC07. The Poolin EOC07 computerized embroidery machine is a versatile and feature-rich embroidery solution designed for hobbyists, small businesses, and creative professionals. It offers a spacious 15-inch by 7.9-inch embroidery area, allowing users to work on larger and more intricate designs with ease. Equipped with 4 embroidery hoops and 200 built-in designs, it provides plenty of options for customization right out of the box. The large 7-inch touchscreen simplifies design editing, pattern selection, and machine operation, making the embroidery process more intuitive and efficient. With built-in Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, users can quickly transfer designs, while the included in-stitch digital software enhances creativity and workflow management. Combining advanced features, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance, the Poolin EOC07 is an excellent choice for producing professional-quality embroidery projects. Number 3. Poolin EOX 15 Needle. The Poolin EOX 15 Needle embroidery machine is a high-performance commercial embroidery solution built for businesses that require speed, precision, and versatility. Featuring a large 20-inch by 14-inch embroidery area, it provides ample workspace for creating large and detailed designs on shirts, patches, shoes, hats, and more. Its advanced 15-needle system supports automatic color changes, boosting efficiency and reducing production time. The machine includes a 270 degrees hat and 3D cap embroidery system, making it ideal for professional cap customization and specialty embroidery projects. With a maximum speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, it can handle high-volume orders while maintaining excellent stitch quality. Convenient Wi-Fi and USB connectivity allows seamless design transfers, ensuring a smooth workflow. Designed for commercial use, the Poolin EOX combines productivity, reliability, and advanced features to help businesses deliver professional-grade embroidery results. Number 4. Poolin EOC06. The Poolin EOC06 computerized embroidery machine is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and gift-making enthusiasts looking to create professional-quality embroidery projects with ease. It comes with multiple embroidery area options, including 11 inches by 7.9 inches, 7.9 inches by 7.9 inches, and 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, providing flexibility for both small and large designs. The machine features a large 7-inch touchscreen that makes design selection, editing, and operation simple and intuitive. With 200 built-in embroidery designs, users can start creating right away without needing additional patterns. USB and wireless connectivity allow for convenient design transfers, expanding creative possibilities. Combining user-friendly controls, versatile embroidery capabilities, and modern connectivity features, the Poolin EOC06 is a reliable and creative embroidery machine for beginners and home-based projects. Number 5. Poolin EOC03, 2-in-1. The Poolin EOC03, 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile and beginner-friendly machine that combines both sewing and embroidery functions in one compact package. It offers 4 inches by 4 inches and 4 inch by 9.25 inch embroidery areas, making it suitable for a wide range of creative projects, from personalized gifts to home decor and apparel customization. The machine comes with 130 built-in embroidery designs and 207 sewing stitches, providing plenty of options for creativity and customization. Its 4.3-inch touchscreen allows for easy design selection and editing, while Wi-Fi transfer enables seamless importing of new embroidery patterns. To help users get started quickly, the EOC03 includes a complete accessory kit and personalized one-on-one training support. With its combination of sewing versatility, embroidery capabilities, and user-friendly features, the Poolin EOC03 is an excellent choice for beginners and crafting enthusiasts alike. That's it for today's video. All product links are available in the video description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful buying guides and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.